Hey guys, it's Miss Skiba. So today for phonics, we are going to be talking a little bit more about a new diagraph. So just a refresher, we have been working on blends, which is two letters, and we hear each letter sound in the blend. So I told you guys on Monday about BL makes bull, b-ul, and we hear both of those letter sounds, just like in Miss Skiba, skiba. We hear both of those letter sounds. SK makes sk. But something we learned on Monday was about a diagraph, and we learned about the diagraph shh. And we learned that the diagraph makes a whole new sound, just one sound. So we do not pronounce every letter in the diagraph. It's not letter sounds, it's a brand new sound. So we learned that SH makes shh. And now today we're going to learn about TH. So TH makes th, th. I'm putting my tongue between my teeth, th, th. And you do not sound out each letter. I'm not going to say t, h. I'm going to make a new sound, th. And so right down here, I want you guys to practice. Put your tongue between your teeth and say th, 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 like this or that or them or there. That is the th diagraph. TH makes th. So we have th-ink makes think, th-is makes this, and th-orn makes thorn. So we're going to be working with the diagraph th today. TH makes th. So we know that our tongue goes between our teeth when we make the th sound or the diagraph. So you guys are going to use the pictures right here to help you say all of these th words like three or thick or throw or a king sits on a throne. So we're making one sound. We're making the th sound. We're not going to make a letter sound for T and H. We are not going to go t-ick. That's not a word. That sounds pretty silly. We're going to say th-ick. One sound, th. So we also can see that the TH can come at the beginning of the word, like in all of these. Thumb, think, thorn, that comes in the beginning. But we can also see that it can come at the end, like in tooth and wreath and mouth. So it can come at the beginning of the end, just like SH, right? Just like shh. We can have it come at the beginning, like in shell, or it can come at the end, like in wish. Same thing. So you guys are going to find the page in the packet with these 5 pictures. And you're going to look at each word, and you're going to read the word, and then I want you to make sure you're making the th in each word, like in thumb and third. Really focus on putting your tongue between your teeth and making the th sound, like thump, thump, thump. And then I want you to think of 10 other words that also have the th sound, either in the beginning or the end. So it could be thicket or three or throne, all of those words that we just saw on the previous page. And you guys are going to do your best to think of 10 words all on your own that have the diagraph. So just a little bit of a recap. When we have a blend, we sound out each letter in the blend, like in bull, b-ul. And then when we have a diagraph, like TH, it makes a brand new sound, just one sound, like in th. Okay? Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys tomorrow.